Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and today's video is so exciting because if you are already a subscriber, you already know how excited I am. Today's video is my first brand collaboration. So today I have partnered with Merit to bring you their 5-minute makeup collection. Merit is a new brand. They can be found at meritbeauty.com. They are a new clean brand. Some of their products have even won Allure Beauty Awards. And the whole idea behind Merit is minimalist beauty, where they believe that less is more. You guys know that I have been loving like the clean, slick, just super like fresh look. And I've also been loving doing a super quick face. Like things have changed. So people's routines have changed. Merit has your back with their 5-minute makeup collection. So I am super excited to bring you guys these products. I have been testing them. I even wore them in last video. I'll have that link down below where I did my January 22 favorites. And I was super excited to finally bring you guys this video. So thank you to all of my subscribers out there for making this possible. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so Merit believes in a simple beauty routine, and you guys know that I love a super quick face. I have my staple products. I can grab them, I can go make a cute quick look, and I'm out the door. So let me just run down all the products that I will be using today. So I want to start with the Perfecting Complexion Stick, and this is in the shade Amber, and it looks like this. And how perfect is this to literally like drop in your purse or like in your bag and you're on the go. So this is how it looks. It's a foundation stick, and as you can see guys, I have been using this. I wanted to make sure to test everything out. I was super excited. Also, they sent me their highlighting balm, and this is in the shade Bounce. Super, super pretty, pinky, goldy color. They also sent me their cheek color, and this is in the shade Cheeky. Y'all know I have been obsessed with cream blushes, so I was super excited to give this a try. I love this nice dark color, so pretty. Their tinted lip oil, this is in the shade Bel Air. They had tons of colors, and I picked this one because you guys know I love just a super simple gloss. As you can see, I have been definitely using this one. I really like this one. And I actually would love some more colors as well because that's really good. This is their lengthening mascara. This is in the shade Perfect Black. Nice big wand. Y'all know I love me some mascara. And then the last product that they sent me, volumizing pomade, and I got it in the shade Brown. I'm actually going to be setting a timer, and we're gonna do the face that I have been doing to test out all of these products. We're gonna do them on camera today. So I got my phone ready and my timer up. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the timer now. So when you're doing a quick face, you know you want to put you some primer on, because even if you're doing a quick look, you want to make sure that your makeup still lasts and looks nice. So there's that. And then we're gonna go into the Perfection Complexion Stick and literally just put it everywhere that we have issues or where we need some extra coverage. This is so smooth and creamy. Like, I love how this feels. And then we're gonna take just a trusty brush and blend that out. You wanna make sure that you have like your tools and stuff ready, at least in mind, so you can be like, oh, I know exactly what to grab. Do you see how easily that blends out? Like, I have been loving just grabbing the complexion stick and touching up like my dark spots. And this even blends out really nicely with your fingers, so you really don't even need a brush. Okay, so now we're gonna do some blush, shade Cheeky. You can dab, you can rub, your preference. And then we're just gonna blend it out with the same brush. Really beautiful, really natural. And then we're gonna go in with the highlight stick and just Put that on the high points and a little on the nose. I would even like put a little bit on the eyes if you have like a little extra time, just to give the eyes like a little bit of like shimmer or shine. Then we're gonna go into the brows and just touch those up super quick. I'm learning how to like wax and maintain my own brows, so they definitely need a little help. So you can fill in the sparse parts, and then we're gonna go in with the brow pomade to seal the deal, like that. Then we're gonna go in with the mascara. Don't forget to curl your lashes. Like, I like to curl my lashes when I wake up in the morning. It just gives my eyes like a lift throughout the day. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I like to curl my lashes. And then we're gonna finish it off with the lip oil. And something I have been loving to do is grabbing the cheeky and just going over the top for a little color and finishing off the lips. So then we're gonna set the face. And you guys, we're literally done. I literally have a whole minute and 6 seconds left. Like, do you see this? I literally have a whole minute and 6 seconds. Well, like a whole minute now left. How insane is that? So we even have a little bit of time left. So I hit myself with a little bit more setting spray. Make sure it dries. And we are good to go. Like, we can even go in with a little bit more cheeky. Like, you guys, you literally have time to spare. That's how easy these products are to use. And that's how easy they are to blend out. Like, boom. We have a super simple, glowy, natural look. And who doesn't love that, especially nowadays? The spring is coming up, the summer is coming up, and you're gonna need a quick face. And Merit has got you. Y'all, we are just now, okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Like, we had time to spare, you guys. And we literally did primer, we did the foundation, lips, blush, eyes. Like, we are good to go. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the look. Merit was kind enough to provide me with a link down below if you guys want to try any of the products that you have seen here or any of their other products that are on their website. I really love everything that they sent me, so thank you guys again for these products. And I really hope if you guys try any Merit products that you love them as well. Let me know down below if you have tried Merit, or let me know if you are excited to check them out next time you go makeup shopping. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.